Hello everybody. A few weeks ago, my laser here started having fuel injector problems. So today, we're going to put a set of injectors in this car. It should show you what it's doing, but then it would be warm. You give it any more gas at about a third pedal, and the car starts spitting and sputtering. It drops cylinders and it runs lean almost the whole time, so the injectors are stopping up. To change your injectors on your 4G63 non-turbo or turbo first gen here, you got to take these 3 bolts out. Lift that over. You don't have to take that off of that. Unhook take the little clips off the plugs and take your plugs off your injectors. Unhook your return line and unhook your pressure hose. I don't know if you can see it. That is what gets these injectors on this car. There's rust and gummy gas. I don't know how it's getting through the fuel filter, but it is. The gas is not as bad as it used to be. Because the first set I took out of this car, this was packed full of it. So that's the second set I've went through. Now I'm going to clean this out a little bit better and put a new set in it. Alright, so I put the new injectors in. Let's see how it runs. Oh, and motor man fuel injection. Let's see how you did, I guess. I have this issue where I run the shittiest battery I can on this car, and it cranked. I didn't catch this, but it cranked and then died because, you know, the rail's full of air, and then the battery died. DSM. Just cause DSM. You know, if it was roadkill, you say because roadkill. Well, because DSM. Got a weak cell. Let's see if she cranks. Fucked up the set for 2 weeks and cranked right up. Now go to crank it the second time down here and new injectors. Number 1's good. Number 2's good. Number 3's good. 4's good. Line's good. Recurring line is good. All right. Seems to be running better. So anyway, that was my, I guess, fuel injector replacement video, but whatever you want to call it. I didn't really show you how to do anything, but the car runs good. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And hopefully soon I'll be making more videos on that car. I got this project to do now, so see you next time. Thanks for watching.